Welcome to the Unique Art of Script Writing, presentation number 11101. My name is Ron Eslinger. I'm a registered nurse, certified registered nurse anesthetist, a master's degree in foreign studies, advanced practice nurse, board certified hypnotist, certified master instructor, and fellow of the National Guild of Hypnotists. I'm also retired from the United States Navy. If you struggle with client scripting, this presentation is for you. No longer asking others, do you have a script for this? I will discuss which suggestion techniques are more effective in the Aaron's 3 levels of hypnosis: light, medium, and deep. We will discuss when to use metaphors, stories, and direct suggestions for a more effective client response. The script is in the client, so getting the right information makes effective script writing easy. Let's look at some ideas for writing scripts. And for each that is in this list, I will give an example. Metaphors. Metaphors can come from almost any place. One of my favorites is The Wizard of Oz. And stories. I love telling stories. As a matter of fact, my son got a story every night from the time he was 2 until he was 16. Hypnotic stories. Special places. Having your client close their eyes and visualize and describe their happy place, their calm place, their relaxing place, or even their favorite vacation place is very powerful in you being able to create a script that is very specific and individualized for them. Relaxing place is one of the easiest ways to get a script. They write it, you repeat it. Orma McGill did a demonstration where he handed out a clipboard with a piece of paper on it to a client and said, write down 3 things you want me to say to you. I have found that to be one of the most effective ways of getting information from the client. You'll be surprised how many times they sit there and have no idea of what to write down. Quotes. I'll tell you my favorite quote. There are thousands of quotes, and you can find one that is specific for your client. Fables. Aesop's fables. Using a fable to describe a positive or negative response is fun and easy. Songs. We'll talk about song titles or words in songs and how we can use those, especially for a person who is into music. And of course, from the Big Red Book is Hammond's introductory phrases. This is one of my favorite techniques of just giving me an idea to say something that would take me into what the client needs as a suggestion. And then of course, movies and book titles. You'll be surprised at how many of your clients are really into movies or into books. And if you're well read or want to Google it, then you can pull out some really good ideas that your clients will respond to readily. Thank you for being a part of this presentation. This ends my script writing presentation. I am available for questions, but I also want you to know there is information available to you at my YouTube channel. There's over 100 plus videos and audios. And at my website, healthyvisions.com, you can find many free resources I use in my business and hypnosis client practice. There's also a free My Healthy Affirmation, which I use with my clients. It's an app that we created so they can, while at the office, they can create their affirmation they'll be using when home, rather than me giving them a sheet of paper that says, every day in every way I am better and better. Now we can make one specific with biorhythmic music that they record in their own voice. Thank you so much again for attending. I look forward to any questions you may have.